Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG update. So this update is mainly for those of you participating in the Sentient Airdrop campaign to stay positioned for some potential reward. So for those of you that minted the Sentient NFT, that is those of you that participated in their waitlist or whitelist and you got the NFT, there are some additional tasks by which you need to perform to stay positioned for the Sentient future airdrop campaign, if there's going to be one. So currently no announcement if there's going to be a reward or not, but surely there's going to be a reward. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how to participate in this airdrop campaign to stay positioned for the airdrop. So before you can participate in the Sentient airdrop, you need to have their NFT. So you can go to OpenSea to get the NFT. Although some of us got the NFT by just filling a whitelist form or waitlist form, something like that. I posted it in my Telegram group. That's why I always said, please make sure to join my Telegram group for quick update. The link is at the description of this video. So guys, those of you that already have the NFT, you are good to go. But if you don't have the NFT and you want to partake in this airdrop campaign, you need to buy the Dobby fingerprint NFT. It is currently below, I think, $0.7 worth of PO, which was formerly known as Matip, around 0 point something, like around 0 point, it is below $0.7 worth of PO as of the time of making this video, and one PO is at $0.3, so you can get the NFT for you to partake in this campaign. So after getting the NFT, or if you already have the NFT, you are good to go. So for those of you that use Google to claim your Sentient NFT, I made a video. So for those of you that claimed your Sentient NFT by using Google, I made a guide on how you can transfer it to your EVM wallet so that you can participate in this campaign. So I'll be dropping a direct link to my Telegram group explaining how you can go about it. So please make sure to follow the link which I'm going to drop at the description of this video on how you can transfer your Sentient NFT to your EVM wallet for you to participate in this campaign. So this is the easiest airdrop you can participate in. Then once you are done, you are good to go. So this is a step-by-step guide on how you can start. So I'm going to drop all the necessary link at the description of this video and in my Telegram group for you guys to partake. So the quest is not hard, it's simple to do, but you need to perform these tasks every 24 hours to stay positioned. So currently no leaderboard, so I don't think you are going to know your rank, but make sure every 24 hours you perform these tasks which I'm going to show you now. So make sure to visit this site which I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video and in my Telegram group. Then you just click on verify you are human. So if you don't have a PC to perform this, you can use your mobile phone, download Mrs. browser, then download MetaMask extension. So you wait for it to process, then it's going to bring you here. What you don't need to do is to click on connect wallet. So now just select continue with a wallet. Now click on MetaMask. Alright guys, so you don't need to click on connect. So you can click on any EVM wallet you want, be it Rabi wallet, OKS wallet, but I prefer using MetaMask for this. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, this is what you need to do. So you need to chat with the Dobby AI. So you'll be able to ask 10 questions of your choice. So you need to chat with it like how you used to chat with maybe ChatGPT or DeepSleek, something like that. So you need to chat with it. So you can ask 10 questions every day. So you just need to ask the AI bot some questions so you can see the amount of questions I have remaining. Every 24 hours, come back here and ask the AI some question. It's going to give you two answers. One is going to be a rude answer, while the other one is going to be a nice answer. I normally go with the one that have a nice answer. So you just need to select one. Which do you prefer? So you are helping them to text their AI so that they will know how to go about it for the future and which they should prefer. So now I'm going to ask the AI some question. All right, so let's see. Let me ask, what is Sentient all about? So, right, guys, so looking on the screen, you can see Sentient is about making AI open, loyal, and monetizable. They are building tools for developers to create AI that aligns with community value. Okay, Sentient is building the future of open AI, blah blah blah, something like that. So, in order not to waste time, now what you all need to do is to vote. Which of these do you prefer? Is it the left? You select left is better. Is it right? You select right is better. Are both of them good? That is tie. You select. Both are bad. You select. So I'm going to select the right. All right. So done. After you have select, you can still ask another question. Okay. Let me ask. Let me say, what is crypto? All right. So you can see the rude one, which is crypto is a decentralized money pitch. No banks, no middleman. So this guy is always rude. But this one is going to explain it the correct way for you. So you can select anyone. Are you a reggae guy? You select this. Are you a humble guy? You select this. Well, depending on your choice. So I'm still going with the right. So done. So I have 8 remaining. So you want make sure to ask any question of your choice. You are good to go. So like I said earlier, no confirmed reward as a time of making this video, but surely there's going to be a reward in the future. So let's ask the AI if there's going to be any sentient token in the future and reward for its community. Alright guys, so I'm going to click enter. Let's see. Alright, so is there going to be any Sentient Airdrop reward in the future for its community? Yeah, Sentient got plans for community airdrop, but no solid date yet. They are building a system where community members can actually earn reward for contributing to the AI development process. It's about decentralizing the power and making sure the community gets a cut of the pie. If you want to stay updated on their plans, just follow their socials and join their Discord. Sentient's all about loyalty and transparency, so you can bet your ass they will make it happen. So this is a hint, guys. Make sure to follow their socials and also join their Discord community. So I'm going to drop their Discord group link in my Telegram group for those of you interested to join. Make sure to join and get some role, and make sure you are also active. So this is for the road guy. Now let's check the humble guy. So is there going to be any sentient reward in the future for its community? Yeah, there is talk about airdrop in the future, but nothing official yet. Sentient's all about rewarding the community for their contributions. So if you are in, you are basically waiting for the next big drop. Stay tuned, it's going to be worth it. So according to Mr. Wright, it's going to be worth it. So make sure you are active on this for those of you participating in the airdrop campaign. So which of these should I choose? I'm going to select left because left was decent this time, although there are some words like us and the rest, but still I'm going to select left. Alright guys, so I'm done with this. So you can see I've used my 10 questions. Now I need to come back in the next 24 hours as a time of making this video to still ask the AI some question. So this is what you need to do every 24 hours to stay positioned for the Sentient Airdrop campaign. So according to the AI, they are going to reward its users in the future, but it is not official yet. For you to get more updates, just make sure to join my Telegram group. I'll keep you guys updated on Sentient, and also join their Discord, follow their socials. Following their socials, even also in their Discord group. So any information, I'm going to keep you guys updated because I'm also participating in this airdrop campaign. Like I said earlier, for those of you that want to know how you can transfer or send your NFT from your Google to your wallet, I made an explanation about it. I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram group. It's going to take you direct to the explanation in my Telegram group for you to know how you can process that. Sorry for not making a video about it. So the reason is because I did not use Google in any of my accounts to do that, so I can't make a video about it. Instead, there's an explanation I made with pictures on how you can go about it. It is a simple and easy explanation, so I attached some pictures to it. It's going to guide you like A, B, C, D. Alright guys, so this is how to stay positioned for the Sentient Airdrop campaign. I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.